Welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make clotted cream using a slow cooker. If you don't have a slow cooker, check out my clotted cream tutorial where I make it in the oven. Clotted cream is simple to make, and when you find it difficult to buy it, then making it is the perfect solution. Let's get started. We only need one ingredient to make clotted cream, and that's double cream. It's important to use a cream with a high fat content, and creams such as long life cream will not work. Pour the double cream into a bowl. It's easier to use a bowl than to pour it into the slow cooker. This slow cooker needs to be placed on the warm setting because it needs a low temperature. Cover and leave for 12 hours. After 12 hours the cream will have a yellow buttery top on it. Be gentle removing it from the slow cooker. This is a little jiggly and you can see the clotted cream has started to form. It needs to cool for a further 2 hours before you place cling film on it and transfer it to the fridge to chill for 12 hours. After chilling, remove the cling film and the clotted cream has set. The yellow buttery top gives the clotted cream its distinctive look. Use a spoon to scrape the clotted cream off the top. The liquid which is left over can be used in scones, bread, or to even loosen up the clotted cream a little. Just look at that. The clotted cream is so thick and it's perfect. The clotted cream has a lovely buttery top. Okay, let's get this clotted cream onto some scones. I love clotted cream with jam. How you serve yours depends on whether you're from Devon or Cornwall. Clotted cream and jam or jam and clotted cream. How do you like yours? Both look and taste delicious, and believe me, there's no way I would turn down either of these. I hope you enjoyed this slow cooked clotted cream tutorial and hope you try out the recipe. Thanks for watching and happy baking everyone.
Scrummy!